What's going on, everyone? Salinacion Cat Mods here, and on today's video we're gonna be working on this 1986 Ford Thunderbird. We're gonna get these headlight trim pieces off and get those painted. For now they look a bit faded. We're also gonna go ahead and wash down the entire vehicle again so that we can go ahead and take some pictures and list it up for sale. So far what we got done is new tires and whole new suspension up front, and for the rear we got the shocks in there. And I've already tested it out on the street. This car rides real smooth. I'm doing this first because I don't want to wet this piece right here and then have to wait till it dries so that I can paint over it. And it comes right off. From here you just got to take off this blinker fluid bulb and refill that with some blinker fluid in there.
What did he say?
First things first, I'm gonna wipe these down with some glass cleaner, get all that dirt and dust off of it, and then from there I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding with this 320 grit that I have. And I'm going to be painting it with this color right here, which is the silver. I'm going to mask off the chrome because the Scotch-Brite will scuff it up slightly. And with the sandpaper, you don't have a chance of touching the chrome with this little piece. But I don't want to risk it with the Scotch-Brite, so I'm gonna mask. So far so good. I'm gonna put you guys back on time lapse. I'm gonna go ahead and get all these areas, like in there, on the side that didn't really need the 320, and I'm gonna do it with this so that it could at least scuff it up a little so that the paint could adhere to all those micro scratches. Hard to mask right on the edge of that corner. So what you do, you get one piece of tape like that, you get it all the way to the edge, and you press firmly right on the corner in there, and you have some tape left over. You get another piece of tape and you do it backwards. You tape it on that side. See what I did? From there you pull back until you barely see any chrome coming out. So the objective is to not get any paint, any silver paint on the chrome. So if you pull too far back, you start to see some chrome in there. It's not what you want. You want to get it right on the edge, and then from there, just tape back down. So once you have it taped like that, just pull back. That's how you back mask. Check out the masking skills. You see, I did learn something from school. So before I start spraying, I'm gonna shake this real well. Test it out again. There we go. And the first coat, I'm gonna start out real light, so that it could bond to it. You don't want it too wet at the first coat. Let's see. Start over here. And here's after 3 coats. Oh yeah. guys saw, we just finished off 4 rims. I was using this pressured gallon, and in there I had distilled water, and in the other one I had an all-purpose cleaner from McGuire's, I believe. And this is going to be the tire shine that I used, Endurance tire gel, long-lasting high gloss shine with that spreader. It came out real nice. I like that glossy finish. Right now you can't really tell because the sun's not out, but once the sun hits it, you'll see that glossiness to it. There she is, all cleaned up after the headlight bezels were painted. Rims nice and clean, some tire shine on there. There you guys have it. That's gonna be it for this video. My mom just took the Thunderbird, so couldn't get any more footage of it, but stay tuned for more videos. If you guys are still here watching, I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content like it, because we're gonna be doing videos on this, doing videos on the Silverado, on the Lightning. So I'm planning to sell this Thunderbird. That's why I'm getting it all cleaned up, everything nice and neat. So I'll do trade or cash for a Silverado classic truck. If anyone has a classic truck, feel free to message me, let me know. We out.